Sling.
Okay, carry the book, go back. I don't need them again.
You know, by cheating man and cheating woman. Okay, calm down. Driver, what did I do now? Okay, come down for this car, beg. If I leave for this car, we scatter families. I say, calm down, my friend. Okay, calm down. Calm down, I get a book for you. How to know if your driver is cheating you?
How much for that one?
Now 2,000. Connector, come on by. Full drive like that to my car job. Full I don't want to see for this guy again. See this boy.
Okay, what's happening now?
See that stupid boy. He want to fight the cheater. He follow me by boss. Stupid boy.
Hello my people, on a day what's the sup? It's your boy OBIKING and I'm back again with another episode of my comedy reaction. So my people, make sure to watch to the very end because this is gonna be a blast, you understand? So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Lie down, honey.
Hey, if you can't get honey, now maybe your husband. You go wait for your husband, maybe come back now.
They ask me what to concern you. Which the security start to the get choice. I beg go put your leg, we can fertilize you. Where to concern you.
One man begin.
But madam, I'm supposed to up now.
Say now you they pay me or now me they pay you. Okay, now my best type be this and I need to ground you. I need to enter inside.
See vein. Rest.
Madam, I beg. Let me come on your hand from this place. I beg, no tell me see you now. Your hand in my neck, so.
That's what they enjoy. No worry.
Madam, now your second deal, madam. Madam, I beg now.
The tea they near me already.
Madam,
wait now.
my neck now.
Wait.
Yeah, madam.
Wait.
I try to die, you.
Wow. So the girl women will do this kind of thing. And there women that really do stuff like this.
No man on earth be 2 minutes man.
October. In fact, Omele Yato, oh freaky Yato. She's a gold standard. I cannot wait for her to come. I want to devour her.
Who play?
You, my baby. You're doing well.
Daddy, I couldn't help but overhear you. You said you wanted to devour me.
I want to devour you. Rush.
That is sweetest. Although you were supposed to say devour. That's the right pronunciation.
No. I don't mean to deflower you. I said devour. Like.
Don't be disrespectful. In my life, of course, I would have been deflowered a long time ago.
Every English.
Devour. That is the right pronunciation of the word.
You mean the right pronunciation for?
Pronunciation, not pronunciation.
The right pronunciation for Saintbellington devour that we used to say that I want to devour you is devour.
Devour.
Okay, I want to devour you. But no time to get that off your clothes.
Huff? Is that a sprinkle of X Factor?
I say off your clothes.
Say off.
Oh yeah, put off your clothes.
Your incorrect use of grammar is putting me off. The right phrasal verb to use is take off. Take off your clothes.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Take off your clothes. Somebody to try and see. But like all this other you are doing, I know it's just a facade. I know you are doing something. You want me, or you are doing like you don't want me.
I'm going to pretend I did not hear that. It's facade. Not facade. This is not an arcade. Facade.
Can you change is that why you are here? What's the meaning of this now? Is it English we are here to correct, or we are here to correct our bodies?
Collabo.
Daddy, I'm sorry.
What's going on? Just see me. It's okay. You already know that my body's on the way. I'm zealous to have it.
You're zealous.
Yeah, I'm zealous to have it. To have you.
Zealous? Why are you yelling? You're hypertensive. I don't want your death on my neck.
Are you normal? What's the meaning of all this nonsense? Are you going to now? I already say that if you do well, I will be taking care of your maintenance. Me and you will be enjoying ourselves.
It's not maintenance. It's maintenance.
Are you meant? Are you killing people right now? What's your problem now?
I'm not Balo.
Hey, stand up. Get out of the door.
This girl, she can correct anything.
Rubbish.
You must still come back correct another thing, don't worry.
You know my condition. You know I've never been able to do that thing in peace. Come afford our big biscuit bone.
Daddy?
What?
It's not biscuit bone.
Who goes to the mat?
It's brisket bone.
What's
Brisket bone, what?
And not let any woman
I
now
know
when you
she's
get
going
to
to
make
come
you
back
feel less of yourself.
to correct another English.
Your exams start now. Give me that phone. I said, give me that phone. Give me the phone. Give me. Leave my class.
I'm not the only one with phone.
Who else? Give me that phone. Give me that phone. Jesus. Leave my class. I'm not the only one. This one have my phone. Where's the phone? Let me see the phone.
All of them just carry phone, they enter hall.
I'm not the only one with phone. She has her own phone.
All of them are for inside class.
Give me the phone. Give me the phone. Leave my class.
You remember only one person. Teacher will sit down near where they write.
Start writing.
Baba. Baba.
This man! What did he go to prison?
He carries spoon for pocket too. So you don't already know.
Rich watch and cup of tea, oh. Funny people. Rich watch and cup of tea. He went to prison. Today, he's gallivanting, he's shouting, Buhari.
Baba.
Oh, Amumu not too much.
Jide, what happened? I don't tell you, say make you go exobooster.com because now then they provide service for social media growth. Exobooster.com, yes, they provide services for all your social media platforms, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. I beg no disturb me. Now the updates be that. Leave me alone.
Hey!
Baba. You don't come.
Hey, now the poison food be this. Where you go give that person, the person go chop. Because the person don't chop and go buy. But if you can't find out, say no be the person do the thing. Now the antidote where you go give am be this.
Calm down.
Hola. Hola.
You're a cheating married man.
Where's your house now?
I'm only the socials. I do not have a wife. My wife.
Nah, lie.
That's my wife.
As a married man with a side chick, there are some things you need to have in your house in case of emergencies like this.
What's all this for?
My baby! Come here now.
I've been knocking. What have you been doing now?
I'm sorry, my love. You know, I'm trying to get some haircut for you.
What's going on here?
This is my new baba. Jessica, my wife.
Make him look good.
First, we never back for our
This
life
can only
before.
work depending on the type of woman you got married to. If you marry a calm woman, sometimes you can end up here after the haircut. But playing a woman is not as dangerous as mine.
Babe!
Yo, man, who are you?
Babe, calm down now. I ordered a massage therapist to come and take care of me. You know I'm complaining of back pain. Why are you shouting?
I go right at you.
What's your name?
Thank you. What's up? Are you going my way? It's not for real now.
Hold up. It is not play. Okay. What's going on here?
Thank you. See who you know the same. For this hot sir, I beg you say yes more they go.
Oh my, this son is para.
Wait, hold on. Can Can you hear what I'm hearing?
Of course, I can hear that.
For my boot, Abi?
Yeah.
Wait on. Let me check. What's that sound?
They will drive your car.
I saw you started to Madam, who are you? What are you doing in my boyfriend's car? Boyfriend, madam? Yes. It is his son, no? It is your son, Kizzy.
Again, I'm going show.
Oh, you're running, Abi. Oh, you are running. Let me catch you. I know what to do. This car, I'm going to sell it today. It's because of this car you are doing anyhow.
Who does that?
What's in the happen here? That's all over now. They shy you. What's in the happen here?
Versus, see my new whip, see my baby here. Start from somewhere.
Festus, someone. Yeah. Festus. Thank God, say you don't already they drink now. Your friend don't buy Motel. Now your mate, this boy. Now you senior himself. I know the day when they born two of one now. Now you first come out. The next week now your mama born. But now you don't buy Motel.
Oh, they struggle.
Festus, this one why they talk to you, they do face. Now advice, they advise you. Advice no because try make you join your mate. You don't see the kind of thing where your mate they do, Abi. Join them. Make you say no pass you.
I feel drink now.
Oh yeah, drink now. Drink now. Now good thing.
My pressure they put on your head.
Don't do me like this now. Don't do me like this. Oh, stand up.
I don't have pity for you. How you go do now? This is your only friend where remain. Don't die.
It was like a sister to me.
So, Mama Chidera, you don't see him now. Now your mate, she don't die. You go try make it day like her. Just try make it be like her. To that the Mama Chijoke don't die. And now your friend too. You go try make it day like them. Try make this year no pass you by you. This one way they look me like this. Now advice and advice no because. See,
Jesus Christ, I'm feeling devastated. Who did this?
Now we the runner.
Now in the eye.
Wipe is down today, tomorrow 50, next tomorrow 70.
What do you mean pipe is that? Now people, human life, you are saying like that. Please, can we talk about this thing?
Why are you shouting?
I'm not shouting.
You are shouting.
My voice is low.
Governor, this is unacceptable.
With that.
You are not even looking at our side.
You're
not looking at our side.
Your side, would you shut up? What is your side, you ingrate? What is your problem? What is your plight?
Mr. Governor, we are not here to shout. We are not shouting. We are only making the plight of my people known to the government.
Okay, what is your plight or some plight?
Our people are suffering. Your government is taking our palm oil and we are getting nothing in return. Nothing.
Is that the problem?
It is the problem.
Is that the problem? If you talk to me again, you see what I'll do to you. Are you normal? I'm sorry I'm raising my voice. Please, can we negotiate?
We don't negotiate with government.
Mr. Governor, we are ready to negotiate with you. Let us just tell you what our people want now.
I don't negotiate with terrorists. I don't negotiate with terrorists. Go and ask of us why government don't negotiate with terrorists. Will you shut up? Please. Sorry I'm shouting. Please, what do you people want? I'm ready to compromise. Just tell me what you want, okay?
People where they fight for their rights with terrorists, but the main terrorists are the people he wants to negotiate with.
Take.
Mr. Governor, what we want to join you more.
Okay. Oh yeah. Lord, carry them. Take them.
We are going to march a protest. We are not the ones requesting that law. We are not
march that protest. March it, I will match your head. Lock them up. Throw away the key. Lock them up. Throw away the key. Take them to court. I joined their case on 2067. Till they're gone. Sorry. This what can I give? But if this is okay, please. No, you people are my favorites. If I take my phone so you see that I'm serious. You gonna let them on?
Wow. I bet you can see that. That's one awkward guy.
Hello? Your skin your skin is popping. Do you use glow? Because you're glowing. I believe your name is Gloria, right?
Really, nigga?
Hello? Ah, she's not hearing. Excuse me? Excuse me? Hello, young lady?
You, they go now, they go.
Pretty damsel.
You, they go now.
Hello?
Sorry.
I've been speaking to you over there, you mean?
Oh, I didn't hear you.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah.
If you had looked at me, you would have recognized a handsome man that I am.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I see you're drinking milkshake. Yeah, you know. I like your hair though.
Thank you.
You're cold? Weather these days is hot. Please, wait this.
Sorry, I'm literally hot. Like, can't you see the sun? Like, I'm sweating and you're giving me this again.
You did like this.
Oh, thank you.
This guy Mumu.
Over here. Sorry. Fine girl, look at how your skin is popping.
Sorry, man, I would like to charge you for the milkshake you bought.
Okay.
No. You don't have to. What? Were you trying to pay? Come on. Fine girl like you. Let me pay for you, Joe.
Okay.
You know, I got this. Okay. So please, use it on my card. On my tab.
See,
savings or current?
Take a wild guess.
Current, sir?
Savings, obviously. Savings.
Savings. So it says insufficient funds.
No, it's what's that? I would have said I will pay you guys, but you guys don't accept Bitcoin, so.
Did you say Bitcoin?
Yes, Bitcoin. People don't accept.
Yeah, no, we do accept in Bitcoin. Solana, whatsoever, Bitcoin, we accept it.
You know, my phone battery died. I don't. There's no means to.
So I just say, wait, sir. Wait, so you look like someone that came to steal our microwave one time.
No, it's not me. It's not really me.
Yes, you came with two other guys. One was wearing that chicken, one was wearing Game Boy on his neck.
Will you listen to a bed? So an ordinary
you are a
waiter?
thief.
It's not me. I'm not.
Guy, you are a thief.
I'm not stealing anything.
Manager.
This guy, look at
When I say I fail by exam, no be me be this today. See the face behind the brand. Live and direct. Everybody will pass by exam. They caught. Me I be Curtis. I be Curtis. See Anna, George now one of us. George now one of us. Carry and play first. You want to overleave? See this guy now. My client be this. Wait, what did they say you do?
They say I keep person, but I no keep person. I didn't kill.
Rest. Now our country be this. You don't understand. If you like 5 person, men they with you go scot free. Now for you. Now you start key. I don't key now. Now for you. George, wait there, so now George don't key. George don't key. Not they overleave, relax, rest your mind. See, I'm gonna they send gifts, send rose, send lion. Now who send gift I go defend though. Now who send gift I go defend though. They say you don't key. Come on, I know you, Joe. Symbol of Lady Justice. You know she say she the blindfold her. Now we blind down. George knock out. I just did it. George did here.
This will actually be a reality in 2050.
Okoro ele sutak, eleme. Okoro ele sutak, Come. Whole change, I don't get to fight to see my body.
Okay, man, the whole change, no one knows here. Papa, you shift now. 2 people that stand here. You can't go like this one this morning.
Okoro ele sutak, okay, go. Whole change, Okoro ele sutak. Go inside. Okoro, enter. Madam, man, go inside, I beg. Who will have come out hand now, make him pass. Okay, I go pay for 2 seats. Yes, I go pay for the 2. But I go sell market for the motor. No wahala, I go just money.
Nduka won't pay for 2 seats.
That's what they go.
2 seats. You sure say you get money?
Good afternoon, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nduka. I'm a motivational speaker, a book writer, a philanthropist, and a professor. In fact, I have written over 2,000 books, and the records are there.
I have made over 1 million sales. I have written book that has shaped economies. I have written book that has helped and uplifted families. The book I have today is a book that is very favorable to women, because women are victims of marital crisis. Women are victims of marital infidelity. Women are strongly against cheating and maltreating in marriages. Most women want to catch their husband if they are cheating, but they apply the wrong strategies. Ladies and gentlemen, listen to me. As a woman, if you want to know if your husband is cheating, you don't need to go through his phone. If you want to know if your husband is cheating, you don't need to ask around or ask his friends. If you want to know if your husband is cheating, you don't need to stalk him. All you have to do is to go through my book that is titled How to Know If Your Man is Cheating. This book is all you need to capitalize on as a woman for you to catch your man. For you to understand the power of this book, let me quickly read page 1.
Hey, stop that! Can you put on must you read the book here? Are you not a man?
Okay, how much with the book?
Madam, this book is selling for just 4,500. With this book, you understand all the loopholes in your marriage.
I go need 1 copy because.
What's the bone of contention? You need 1 copy for what?
My husband, you know I like reading. Now it's a book, I just want to study it. There is no waste in knowledge.
There's dictionary in the house. There's Bible. There's encyclopedia. Have you finished reading that one? That you want to buy this? Have I cheated in this marriage before?
Okay, let me send this book. Go back. I have another book with me. How to know a cheating woman.
How to know a cheating woman. Give me phone.
Why do you need the book now?
No, let's all learn now. Let's read wide. Let's learn.
Okay, carry the book. Go back. I don't need them again.
You know, by cheating man and cheating woman.
Okay, calm down.
What did I do now?
We're going down for this guy, man. For this guy, we scatter families. I said, calm down, my friend.
Calm down. So that I get a book for you. How to know if your driver is cheating you. How much for that? Now 2,000.
Come back. Pull up. Pull up, like get out of my car. Pull up. I don't want to see for this guy again. This is this boy.
Okay, what's happening now?
See that stupid boy. You want to find the cheater. You follow me by boss.
Driver, it's not that deep now. Don't get it this one now. Don't get it one second. My brother, not the shout as you lose your job. Come and employ you. Say, follow me this book.
What's up now? Please, I'm not in the mood for all this. Don't fight though. Fine girl like you shouldn't be hungry, you know? I've been waiting for my car for like 30 minutes now, and it's not still here. I will drop you. Really? Why not? Okay. But you give me your number, though.
Yeah, bro. In my car. Jesus! So this is what you do when I'm not around. Picking up gas up and down. Inside my car. It's a mistake. It's a mistake. I will make a mistake in your life.
What's the meaning of all this embarrassment?
Will you shut up your dirty mouth? Do you know you're talking to the owner of this car? Will you get out of this car? Come down. Come out of the car.
Hey, wait.
This guy will move. I don't want wahala. Don't come on.
Go back now. Go back. Go back.
Woman.
Go back now.
Woman.
Charlie, go. Can I still have your number?
Walker.
Hey!
You might what?
Fine girl, no can't deal like you again. All of them don't do all those shoes. Don't really shatter. Mama. Hi, what's up now?
Who is this one?
Fine lady. Shatter. You look so shattered.
What do you want?
Why are you walking to in this hot sunny afternoon? Are you sunny a day?
I just want to get something down the road.
Down the road? Okay now, let me just give you a ride.
Oh, really?
Yes, now. Okay. Enter my legs off so they will not less you. Oh, shatter. Oh, let me help you open the door. I'm a gentleman.
Look at this dude.
A very gentleman. I'm the most gentleman in the world.
Really?
Man, you look so beautiful and I know you're a fool. You remind me of my Fulani friend, Sharima. You're such an easygoing girl, like you just up in, you didn't even do any shakara, like you didn't allow me to talk twice.
I'm a calm girl.
Oh, yeah, a calm girl. Should I play calm down for you, Darima?
Yes.
So you can calm down.
Oh, sorry, let me pick this call.
Why not? Pick it up now.
Hello? Sandra, what's up? I'm very happy. You know my birthday is this weekend. You see that bow straight that I streak you, that 30-inch bow straight, that's what I'm buying, you know. Today I'm single. Do you know if I was happy, man?
What are your plans in life?
Yes, so I'm very happy. The best makeup artist.
Hello, Chief. I'm happy, sir. Motimbo. It's a mistake, sir. I'm so sorry. Please do not sack me. This is the only job that I have. I'll find children, Chief, Josa. Please don't sack me, Chief. I'm bringing the car right now. I'm a fool, yes. I'm a fool. Even my grandma is a fool. We're all friends in our family, please, Chief. Thank you so much. Please, can you calm down? My Chief, you love the car. He's already calling me.
Sorry, so this is not your car?
It's not my car. I'm just a driver.
Rubbish.
I mean, you say her birthday like this week.
Zero bezel, man. Just so that you see fine boy. That's what you want to do birthday, Abby. Don't worry. Go Callmewhizzy. Zero bezel, man. All along.
Good afternoon, sir.
My caller, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yeah? Who is this? There's no problem.
No problem, Daddy. She's my old-time friend. She came to tell you about something really, really important.
What is it?
My friend told me since I had for you and you're currently broke. So I have a job for her in Dubai.
Dubai?
Yes.
But wait, yeah? Why did you tell her that I'm broke?
Daddy, I just told her that, we are broke small. You know, a close small to the close destiny. So I just want to be helping the family to pay bills when I go there to make money.
That one is not a bad thing, no. But the problem is, this is Dubai you're talking about. All this visa money, flight money. I don't have it, though.
Don't worry. I'll take care of it.
You pay?
Yeah.
Yeah, wait, oh. Do you do money issue?
No.
How do you make your money now?
I do a lot of businesses. And I play sport bets and casino games on Rubet. They have different type of games on their website.
Advert.
Just play and make money like me. Yes.
But no problem. That one is good, eh? You can follow her. Go and carry your bags.
Today? I'm supposed to go next week.
Next week, why? What are you doing for me? Go and carry your bag, Joe. Dalo, eh?
Yes, sir.
See this in Dubai. I wish I can follow you people.
Hey, you like to follow us?
Yes, now.
I turn around.
I should turn around.
Yes.
God have mercy upon us.
Jesus! What is it now?
I just they check whether the market's up. They fit pay 300k for this one.
Market how? I don't understand. 300k for what?
Your daughter will tell you.
Sure you won't go do
now. I be OSO.
OS.
Olosho.
What is OS?
Ashawo now.
How, Chim?
Tifa, let's go.
Come here, Joe. Go here. Yeah? Did your friend tell you that she does Ashawo in Dubai? Ashawo?
Daddy, it's not serious now. It's a normal thing.
Normal thing.
It's a normal thing.
Yes,
Daddy. No problem, eh? Wait for me here. Let me go and get you pocket money. Okay. Please, I'm about to chocolate and chin. You know, wait for me, eh? I'm coming, eh? Dalu.
Ashawo don't become normal thing. Can you imagine? Now night you go take pursue, you know what?
Come here! Come here! Pass like this. Pass here. Pass here. Why kill you, dead boss? But wait, now 300k Bobby's could take back our now.
Quite expensive. And not for everybody. Which is number do you get?
Sambo.
Switch it out, baby.
Ashawo.
We are in business.
This boy, you foolish like this and not know.
You this useless kid. I don't tell you may leave my brother alone, Abi. Una no go hear word. These liabilities until I break bottle for one of una head before una go hear word. Sister, go home. I say go home. Go home. I don't tell you may leave my brother. You no agree, Abi. Oh yeah, you go home. Go.
I need them do faster.
What? Hey!
When you switch off the light goes off.
Now, boy, is one of everything, sir.
Jesus.
You switch it on.
Back to square one.
Don't be looking away again. When you want to money buy this kind of clothes, don't be you, I believe. Now this useless.
He don't go.
Go home.
Is my love. I want to tell you something.
I just surprised as I see how you wear fine clothes. I'm like, where that one for happen? Rukewe, Bisambo, which one be your name? It's not possible. It's not possible. Anyways, my people, thanks for watching. I believe you enjoyed yourself. Just tell me, what's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And please make sure to subscribe in case you haven't done that. Subscribe, share this video, is very important. And check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out, guys. Check them out. You'll love it, trust me. So, see you in the next one, guys. Peace and love.